Hey there, food lovers! Today we're making the most delightful s'mores cheesecake ever. This dessert captures the magic of campfire nights in every bite. Imagine the crackle of a campfire, laughter with friends, and the gooey goodness of classic s'mores, all wrapped in a creamy cheesecake. It's a nostalgic experience that evokes memories of summer nights and cozy gatherings. This cheesecake blends crunchy, creamy, chocolatey, and toasty flavors. With a buttery crust, rich filling, and chocolate ganache, it impresses at every layer. Topped with toasted marshmallows, it perfectly captures the essence of s'mores. The journey to the ultimate s'mores cheesecake begins now. Let's do this. Every masterpiece starts with the right ingredients, and baking is no exception. Before you even preheat your oven, it's important to gather everything you'll need. This not only saves time, but also ensures you won't be scrambling for missing items halfway through the process. Today, we're making a decadent s'mores cheesecake. So let's take a closer look at what goes into this delicious dessert. First, let's get everything ready and organized. For the crust, you'll need a few classic ingredients that bring that nostalgic s'mores flavor to life. Measure out 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. These will form the base of our cheesecake, giving it that signature crunch. Add a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to sweeten the crust and 6 tablespoons of melted butter to bind everything together and add richness. Mix these together until the texture resembles wet sand. Now, for the creamy filling. For easy mixing, you'll need 32 ounces of cream cheese softened to room temperature. This is the heart of your cheesecake, so don't rush this step. Add 1.25 cups of sugar to sweeten the filling and 4 large eggs, also at room temperature, which will help create a smooth, velvety texture. Next, gather 1 cup of sour cream at room temperature for a subtle tang and extra creaminess. Add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for warmth and depth of flavor, and a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder to bring in that rich, chocolatey note reminiscent of classic s'mores. You'll also need 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, melted and slightly cooled. This will be folded into the filling, giving your cheesecake a luscious chocolate swirl that's both beautiful and delicious. For the ganache and topping, prepare 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate and a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. These will be combined to make a silky chocolate ganache that drapes over the finished cheesecake. And of course, don't forget 2 cups of mini marshmallows. These will be toasted on top for that classic campfire touch. Let your dairy ingredients like cream cheese, eggs, and sour cream come fully to room temperature. This step might seem small, but it makes a huge difference. Room temperature ingredients blend together more easily, resulting in a smoother, creamier filling without lumps. Take a moment to organize all your ingredients in small bowls before you start. This technique, known as mise en place, is a baker's best friend. It keeps your workspace tidy and helps you confidently move through each step, knowing everything is right at your fingertips. With these simple yet essential ingredients, you're ready to embark on your s'mores cheesecake adventure. Each component plays a vital role in building layers of flavor and texture. So, take your time. Enjoy the process and get excited, because you're about to create something extraordinary in your kitchen. Let's build the foundation, our graham cracker crust. Crush graham crackers into fine crumbs using a food processor or a zip-top bag and rolling pin. Mix in sugar, then pour in melted butter and stir until the mixture resembles wet sand. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom and slightly up the sides of a 9-inch spring-form pan. Use a flat-bottomed cup to pack it tightly for a sturdy base. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 10 minutes to set the crust. The aroma of butter and graham crackers will fill your kitchen. Pure bliss. Let the crust cool while you prepare the filling. A great crust means every slice holds together perfectly. Now for the star, the creamy chocolate cheesecake filling. Beat softened cream cheese until smooth and lump-free. Gradually add sugar, mixing until fully incorporated. Add eggs one at a time, mixing just until each yolk disappears. Blend in sour cream and vanilla, being careful not to overmix. In a separate bowl, mix cocoa powder with some of the batter to form a paste, then add it back in. Drizzle in melted chocolate and mix until the batter is a uniform chocolate color. Don't overmix, just combine until smooth. Your luscious filling is ready for the crust. Let's move on to the ganache swirl. Time for a chocolate upgrade. Let's make ganache. Chop 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate finely and place in a heat-proof bowl. Heat a 1/2 cup of heavy cream until just simmering, then pour over the chocolate. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then stir gently until smooth and glossy. This silky ganache will create decadent swirls in your cheesecake. The secret is patience. Let the cream melt the chocolate before stirring. Once smooth, your ganache is ready to swirl. This step adds rich chocolatey ribbons to every bite. Let's assemble! Now for the s'mores magic, the toasted marshmallow topping. Pile about 2 cups of mini marshmallows on top of your chilled cheesecake. Use a kitchen torch to toast them to golden perfection or broil in the oven for 30-60 seconds. Watch closely. Marshmallows toast fast. The result? A fluffy golden crown that's pure nostalgia. Mini marshmallows give you the perfect ratio of toasty outside to gooey inside. This is the finishing touch that makes your cheesecake unforgettable. Ready to put it all together? Let's assemble our masterpiece. Pour half the cheesecake batter over the cooled crust. Dollop and swirl half the ganache into the batter. Don't overmix. Add the rest of the batter, smoothing the top. Drizzle and swirl the remaining ganache for a marbled effect. Wrap the pan in foil and place it in a larger roasting pan. Pour hot water into the roasting pan to create a water bath. Bake gently for a creamy, crack-free cheesecake. Once baked, let it cool slowly for the perfect texture. You're almost there. The hardest part, waiting. After baking, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside with the door cracked for an hour. Remove from the water bath and cool to room temperature on a rack. Don't rush. This prevents cracks and ensures a creamy texture. Once cool, cover and refrigerate for at least 6 hours or overnight. This chill time lets the flavors meld and the texture set. Your patience will be rewarded with a perfect cheesecake. Almost time to slice and serve. The grand finale is finally here. After all your hard work, it's time to slice into your beautiful s'mores cheesecake and enjoy every delicious bite. There's something truly magical about this moment when the anticipation turns into pure delight. Start by running a thin, sharp knife gently around the edge of your cheesecake. This helps loosen it from the sides, ensuring a smooth release. Carefully unlock and remove the springform pan, revealing the perfectly set edges of your masterpiece. Now comes the fun part. Pile on a generous layer of mini marshmallows, covering the top completely. Use a kitchen torch or broiler to toast them until they're golden brown and just a little bit gooey, adding that classic campfire touch right in your kitchen. For picture-perfect slices, dip a sharp knife in hot water, then wipe it clean with a towel before each cut. This simple trick keeps the layers neat and prevents sticking, so every slice looks as good as it tastes. Take a moment to admire those gorgeous layers, the crunchy graham cracker crust, the rich and creamy chocolate cheesecake, and the fluffy toasted marshmallow topping. Each layer brings its own unique flavor and texture, coming together in a dessert that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Serve up a generous slice for yourself or your loved ones. You've put in the effort, and now it's time to reward yourself with a treat that's sure to impress. Don't be shy. This is a dessert meant to be enjoyed and shared. As you take that first bite, notice how the textures and flavors blend together. The crunch of the crust, the smooth chocolate, and the sweet, gooey marshmallow. It's pure happiness on a fork, a nostalgic nod to classic s'mores with a decadent twist. Gather your friends and family around and share your creation. There's nothing better than seeing the smiles and hearing the delighted reactions as everyone enjoys a slice. Food has a special way of bringing people together, and this cheesecake is sure to create sweet memories. Don't forget to snap a photo and tag us on social media. You can share your masterpiece in the comments below. We can't wait to see how your s'more cheesecake turns out. If you loved this recipe and want to see more delicious creations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Join our community of food lovers and never miss out on the next tasty adventure. Thank you so much for baking along with us today. We hope you're as proud of your cheesecake as we are. Remember, every bake is a chance to learn, create, and enjoy something extraordinary. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep sharing, and most importantly, keep creating sweet memories in your kitchen and enjoy every bite of your masterpiece. Happy baking!